Request Web offers Canada Revenue Agency users easy-to-use features for managing inventory. You can place orders for delivery and also review previous orders. CRA users will be provided with instructions via email on how to access the system. If you do not have access to Request Web, please contact your direct manager or the Center of Expertise. After your credentials are successfully authenticated, you will be directed to the New Order tab. This tab is where the majority of activity takes place online. Let's take a brief tour. First, you must ask yourself, what would I like to do? Place a new order for delivery or collection on the New Order tab. Review previous orders or load saved orders on the Review Orders tab. Add new inventory, review and submit inventory, and edit inventory on the Add Manage Inventory tab. Request Web supports all of your service needs. Let's start on the New Order tab. Based on your job responsibilities and access level, you can choose from one of 4 work order types. Deliver to me to request an item be delivered to you. Collect from me to request collection of an item from CRA to be sent back to a secure recall facility for storage. This is a function performed by CRA mailroom employees only. Permanent retrieval, to indicate that a transfer of items from recall to you is final, without expectation of return to a recall information center. Destruction, to request destruction of items that have met their retention requirements. Only selected users will have the security access to process permanent retrievals and destructions, but we won't be discussing those work order types in today's video. Placing service requests online is simple and easy. All you need to do is answer 4 basic questions. Where are you located? What items do you need? When will the service take place? And is my order confirmed? The Level 1 will always default to CRA, Canada Revenue Agency. A Level 2 must be selected for all orders. Click on the List button. The Level 2 represents your business line. T1, T2, T3, Info, GST, and Admin are all examples of Level 2s. A Level 3 is required only when Admin is selected as the Level 2. Request Web remembers your name. All you need to do is enter your contact number. Just below your contact information, you will see Recall will deliver items to me. This is the default and should not be changed. Where would you like Recall to deliver the items? For your convenience, all of the CRA-approved addresses, also known as mail codes, have been loaded in the system and are available for selection. The delivery address will automatically default to the mail code in your user profile. If you need Recall to service an address other than the default shown, click the List button and select the appropriate mail code from the list. The list can be sorted by name and by postal code. You also have the option to receive your item via secure fax. Just select the mail code that shows your province fax address and enter your fax number in the Special Instructions box on the Win screen. For this example, we are going to use the default mail code, not the fax mail code. Select the Search for Items to be Retrieved button. This brings you to the What screen. Once you have identified where you would like the item delivered, the next step is to outline the search parameters of the items you want delivered to you. Request Web provides a very powerful tool for searching your archived information, whether a simple one-line search or complex queries using advanced search. Request Web allows you to customize your search results. Prior to any search that you perform in the system, it is necessary to customize your search results to include all of the information you will need. Click on the Customize Search Results hyperlink. This gives you the option to add additional columns to your results. Check the box next to the appropriate characteristic. We recommend adding at least 4 columns to your search results for maximum efficiency. Account name, account number, CRA number, and record series code. Click Save and Close to return to the main search screen. These additional fields will contain information that will help you identify your file container. Now that you've customized your search results, you are ready to search for an item. Select the appropriate search criteria and enter the corresponding information. Enter the unique identifier in the For field. The search criteria and unique identifier will vary based on business line. We are going to show you a couple examples of how to search for an item. For the T1 business line, the unique identifier is the Social Insurance Number, SIN. Locate the SIN you will be using for your search. Select account number from the search drop-down menu. Type the SIN in the For box. For example, 125648999. Click the Go button. Search results are shown with important information such as history of activity, where an item resides, at recall or with your staff, key identification information such as the recall location the item is currently stored in. Keep in mind that historical information is limited to the item's history with recall. Any movement of the item before recall will not be available in Request Web. For all of the business lines, you can search using the tax year. We will use a T1 business line for our example. 1. Select Short Description from the Search drop-down menu. 2. Type an asterisk for wildcard, then the tax year, followed by another asterisk in the For box. For example, asterisk 2012 asterisk. The wildcard tells the system there may be information before and after the year that I'm entering. If I search using only the year without the wildcard, then it's unlikely I'll get any results. Click the Go button. Request Web introduces a shopping cart approach to selecting what items you require retrieved or collected. Flag the items you want by placing a check mark next to the appropriate item in the Retrieve All column. Click the Add Selected Items to Cart button. Click the Checkout button. Once you have finalized the items that you wish to be delivered, you will be provided with the default delivery option of Routine. Request Web automatically calculates the time frame of your service. All items delivered will be received by the CRA mailroom and delivered to you via interoffice mail. For enhanced flexibility, Request Web shows the contents of your shopping cart with additional functional buttons at the bottom and top of this screen. To add supplies, click on the Order Supplies button. If you'd like more information on ordering supplies, please see the CRA Request Web User Manual. To add more items, click on the Search for More Items button. To save the order for processing later, click on the Save Order for Later button. To cancel the order and return to the Where screen, click on the Cancel Order button. Review your shopping cart contents and provide any additional details related to your order, if applicable. Additional order information is not required for your order to be processed. However, in this section, there is space for the following. To provide the courier with any special instructions you may have for the delivery of your items. As a reminder, if you have selected a fax mail code, this is where you must enter your secure fax number. The work order PO number will automatically pre-fill with your mail code. Do not modify this field. Click the Send Order to Recall button and you will receive a message. Please confirm that you want to submit this order to recall. Once this order has been submitted, it cannot be canceled. Proceed with the order, click OK. With your service request now placed with recall, Request Web provides a receipt that lists your location, your transport time frame, your shopping cart contents, and any special instructions. In addition, your receipt includes a unique service request number, which you can use to track your order at any time, as Recall delivers on its perfect order promise. Click on the appropriate hyperlink to receive documentation of the confirmed order. Print this confirmation for a hard copy of the finish screen. Email me this confirmation for a soft copy of the finish screen to be sent to your designated email address. Keeping in mind environmental sustainability and overall security, it is highly recommended that you email rather than print. Click on the Return to Homepage button to return to the Where screen. If you are ordering multiple items that are currently stored off-site in different recall facilities, you may be brought to the Checkout Order Summary, where you will see delivery confirmation with a success status and a unique reference work order for each facility. In these circumstances, you will not be taken to the Finish screen. If at any time you need to cancel a previously keyed work order, send an email to customer care at cra@recall.com along with the work order number. Need to review work orders? Go to the Review Orders tab. Request Web maintains a database of all service orders Recall has processed on a customer's behalf. A summary of details of previous orders are presented as search results, with users able to view the electronic receipt of each order for more detail if required. Click on the View button. Using a date range or the name of a customer contact, you can search this database for previous service orders. CRA's mailroom plays a pivotal role when the time comes, either to send back a previously retrieved item, we call this a refile, or to send off a new item for the very first time. Your refiles, new items, and trailing documents should be placed in a regular envelope, not an inter-office envelope, addressed to recall, and placed in your outgoing mail. For more detailed information regarding collections, please see the CRA Request Web User Manual. The mailroom is trained to follow specific instructions when sending items to recall. Need additional support features? In addition to easy inventory management, Request Web offers an additional feature that makes using the tool easy and efficient. The application offers many options for searching for inventory items. You can set a default search preference to be used for all searches, as well as create up to 5 customized searches that can be saved for later reuse. To set a default search preference under My Search Options, go to the Preferences tab. Click on the My Search Options hyperlink. Uncheck or check the boxes next to the corresponding filter. Checked criteria will show up in your searches while unchecked criteria will not. For example, unchecking the Files radio button will result in future searches not displaying any files. Note, customized searches cannot be created under My Search Options on the Preferences tab. You will need to go to the Item Inquiry screen and click on the Advanced Search hyperlink under What. To create a search using the Advanced Search hyperlink on the Item Inquiry screen, click on the Advanced Search hyperlink under What. The Restore Save Search drop-down menu will automatically default to New. If you would like to load a previously saved search, just select the appropriate search from the drop-down menu. Go to Fields and select the appropriate field. For this example, we will use Status. Go to Operator and select the appropriate operator. We are going to use equals. Now type the status of in into the box. If you would like to create a complex query with multiple fields, you would select the appropriate option under and or. If you are interested in searching only one field, then leave the default of nothing. Uncheck or check the boxes next to the corresponding filter. Checked criteria will show up in your searches while unchecked criteria will not. Name the search in the Save this search as box and click the Save button. After you click Save, don't forget to hit the Search button for your results. Click the Save button to delete a previously saved search under My Search Options. If you no longer need a search to be saved, go to the Preferences tab. Click on the Delete button next to the customized search that you would like to delete. Request Web offers its users an effective, efficient, and easy-to-use experience. Our hope is that this brief orientation has equipped you with the information you need to successfully perform your job. If you find that you need additional resources, feel free to access the CRA Request Web User Manual for step-by-step instructions.